Hey, what's going on everyone? Shri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about some books which helped me get to the place where I'm at today. So before we jump into this video, like always, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button if you guys do find value in this video. And here are the 5 books which helped me get to where I am today. So the very first one and the number 1 recommended book is The 4-Hour Work Week by Timothy Ferriss. And this is a book I highly recommend for any of you who may be struggling in your business journey and need that little push to keep on working towards your goals. This is a very influential book which really motivated me to continue even through the hard times to get where we want to be. And it goes very in depth into business strategies and the perfect ways to outsource your business so that you have much more free time while you earn money. So this is my number 1 recommended book for everyone. The second book on my list is Ecommerce Evolved by Tanner Larson. And this is the book I reference almost every single week, mainly because of the high quality content this book provides. And it relates directly to your Shopify stores and how you should be utilizing all of the traffic sources, email marketing, funnels, basically everything that you need to have a successful e-commerce business. This is the book that you want to be reading and referencing in order to get ahead of the game. And I have to admit, this book has tremendously helped me get ahead with my e-com stores, such as through the email marketing and increasing my conversion rates by the good funnels that I created via this book and the tips it provided. So number 2 on my list, highly recommend that you guys read it. And let's find the third book on my list. This third book is very special to me, and it's called Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. And this is very special because this was the first book that I read back when I was around 14 or 15 years old, which really pushed me into doing business online and helped me get to where I am. I was really influenced by what I read through this book and how it was possible to achieve things that you could possibly not even imagine achieving through a regular job. And this was the book that basically pushed me over into my entrepreneurship journey and helped me get to where I am. So I would definitely recommend that you guys take the time to read this book. It's a very nice book, and although it doesn't relate to e-commerce directly, it has very cool business strategies and tips for your business life which you can implement in any sort of business that you go into. So this is the number 3 book on my list. Highly recommend that you guys read it. The 4th book on my list is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is more directed towards self-improvement and basically getting your mindset into the correct format so that you basically think and grow rich. And this is again a highly recommended book that I suggest you guys do a read on, because it'll definitely change your mindset and your thinking and help you in your e-commerce journey. The 5th and final book on my list is The Zen of Social Media Marketing by Shama Hyder. This book goes in depth in social media marketing and how you can utilize different marketing sources for your Shopify store. And again, a very good read directly related to your e-commerce platforms. And I believe this book can help you get ahead of the game with social media marketing and really change the way you look at social media marketing. It provides some very interesting and unique tips which you can implement in your social media marketing platforms, which can again result to more revenue for you and profit in the end. So this was just a quick video on 5 main books that I recommend everyone should read, whether you're doing e-commerce or any other type of business, because these books will really change the way you think about business and your stores in general and possibly provide some light on the topics. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.